Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have another future spoiler for an upcoming BoxyCharm. Now they did not confirm which month this is or which box it's going to be in, but I'll explain that in a minute. Before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was another possible spoiler for a future BoxyCharm box. Congratulations, Star Lynn Luna. Star says hi. Well, hi Star. I really appreciate that, and I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned to the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive in this wide open. So of course Joe posted this to his Instagram story, and I also found it on BoxyCharm Sneak Peek, exactly which product it was. But first, I already put out a video showing that Kors is going to be a brand coming to BoxyCharm. Again, that's not confirmed on which month or anything. And this next story that he puts on his Instagram is showing everybody that is, you know, dressed up like one of the themes from the 2019 BoxyCharm boxes. And there you get toward the end, and he said that there's 2 surprises. And then he shows, of course, somebody dressed up as an elephant holding liquor, and, you know. So we figured it out. It is Drunk Elephant. Now that will be coming in a future box again. And the product that's in that box is the Drunk Elephant La La Retro Whipped Cream. So I'm not exactly sure, guys. It could be January, because the 2 dressed before there, it kind of looked like New Year's thing, you know, New Year's theme. The 2 ladies that he said that these are a surprise and stuff. I don't know. I'm just taking a stab at it here that it could be January. Who knows? I don't know. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you the clip from his Instagram, and y'all tell me what you think after you see it.
Everyone over here is dressed as a theme, okay? Let's show them the themes.
I woke up like this. Bonjour. Peace, love, and Boxy. Making waves. Heading to Paris. All natural. Totally Boxy. Boxy access.
Scary.
Still surprised.
This is a sneak peek for something, and then maybe a sneak peek.
Again, guys, let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Now, we know what the product is, and we know what the brand is. It's the Drunk Elephant, the La La Retro Whipped Cream. But tell me, which month do you think it's going to be in? And, of course, as soon as they reveal or confirm anything else, I'm going to keep y'all updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Bianca Norvez. I think that's how you say that. Don't you come after me, Bianca. Bianca says, I just learned how to comment. LMAO. Well, congratulations, Bianca. I'm really glad you did learn how to comment, and I really appreciate that, and I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. Again, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, my comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit the button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head off this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, ensure your notification bell set to on. That way you catch every single video I upload. You'll be on top of all the spoilers. And that's it. That's all I got for you today. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.